The benefits of choosing a loaded strut assembly can be easily communicated to your customer in terms of monetary value and convenience. The value of the loaded strut can be expressed as a comparison between the cost of both parts and labor when compared to a conventional strut replacement. While the customer's initial investment in purchasing a loaded strut can be significantly higher than that of just a mount and a bare strut, this sort of objection is an apples to oranges comparison. To really give the customer an apples to apples comparison, you may opt to write your estimate in two sections. The loaded strut option will be very straightforward and quite short too. Since everything required for each assembly is contained in one SKU, there will be at most 4 lines for parts and then a line for labor. For the second section, give the customer a breakdown of the cost for each individual component required for a complete repair, explaining that each of these pieces is already included in the cost of the loaded assembly. When purchased individually, these components tend to add up quickly and often exceed the cost of the pre-assembled unit. Itemize the difference in labor costs, pointing out the additional time required to rebuild the strut, which is above and beyond the time already required for removal and reinstallation. Your customer's time is valuable as well, and the labor saved by installing loaded struts can be of benefit to both of you. For your customer, it means getting their vehicle back that much sooner and getting their schedule back to normal. For you, decreased labor times can leave room in the schedule for additional appointments, increasing your daily car count. Thanks for watching.